Wipro Infrastructure. Loction Sriperumbudur, Irungattukotai, Chennai. Gender male female. Pass out 2021 முதல் 2026 வரை. Qualification. ITI Diploma B.Ang degree. Depertment. 1. Production. 2. Quality. 3. Assembly. Fresher experience. Salary 20-32 Odd per hour 140 rupees. Increment, allowance. 3 shift, 8 hours duty. 3 year after on roll. Trainee. Benefits. Shift time food provide. Cab route Sriperumbudur, Kanchipuram, Thiruvallur, Poonamallee, Porur, Avadi, Ambattur, Guindy, Koyambedu. Contact 8531834551 638160707190.